So advanced, it actually simple. Right. Anyways, this is a Jokari Tomorrow Ideas. Looks like that's an incandescent light bulb there. Knife sharpener. Difficult dull trademark. I picked this up at the grocery store recently. It's one of those things that they have hanging on one of those hook strips in the aisles. A lot of times that stuff is abysmal, but sometimes it's okay. I needed a knife sharpener, so I figured I'll give this one a shot. I have a vintage electric one, which is pretty neat, but it needs some repairs, and since my knives are dull right now, I need another one until I get that one going. So, of course, it's got tie wraps all over it. So let's get those off, and then we'll check this thing and see if it actually works. Long-lasting carbide steel, sharpens again and again. Invented in America, made in China. D1. Warning, knives have sharp edges. Good to know. Okay, so it looks like it just has two blades in there. Well, this knife is pretty dull. Let's see here, I guess we just go like that. It certainly feels like it's doing something. It looks like it did something. I don't know if it really did anything though. You can definitely see where it's slicing away at the metal. It's very shiny there in the edge now. It doesn't really feel like it's getting that sharp though. Let's try it on this one and see if this makes any difference. I don't know. Doesn't seem like it's doing anything. I guess the real test would be to cut something. The cucumber is a really tough item, but I'll be able to tell immediately if it works any differently. Actually, it does seem like it's kind of sharp. I'm not sure. This one definitely sharper. I don't know. I'm not impressed. It seems like it's a little better, but I've definitely worked with sharper knives before. I don't know about this. It definitely did something, but I'm not sure it did much. Now the performance seems to vary from knife to knife. I just did it on this one, and this one you can see there are now some shavings along the edge of the knife, which is what I would expect to see. And this one does in fact feel sharper, whereas these other two, I'm not sure that it made much difference. Oh yeah, this one is definitely sharper. This one just goes through it like nothing now. Alright, so it does work depending on the knife. Of course that's not very helpful because it only sharpened some of my knives, but it definitely sharpened this one pretty good.